Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So for people who would like a very clear skin, who would like to, get their skin exfoliated from within, remove all the dirt, unclog your pores, remove the excessive oil from the skin. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all a very natural scrub, which again we are going to be using a few fresh ingredients to make it. And our main key ingredient, fresh ingredient for this is yogurt. This is excellent. It contains lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate your skin, removes all the dirt, impurities, excessive oil, cleans, unclogs your pores so that you don't get acne on your skin. So people who have a lot of acne, they too can go ahead and use this scrub. Very safe for them to use, suitable for all skin types. So we'll quickly go ahead and start making the scrub. And as usual, as I always share the basic formulation for all my subscribers, that will be available in the description box. For advanced ones, you all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given. So here we have both our phases, our water phase and our oil phase. In our water phase, I have taken some rose water along with glycerin and distilled water. Rose water again helps to soothe and nourish your skin, and since scrubs should not dry out your skin, this helps to moisturize it, keep it well hydrated. Here I have my oil phase, in which I have all my skin loving emollients, oils, waxes, a lot of conditioning, nourishing ingredients, which is going to help to keep your skin soft. There are a lot of fatty acids in this, which will help to soften your skin, give you a velvety soft after finish, and it will not clog your pores as well. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make our scrub. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both my phases here, and we'll quickly add our water phase into the oil phase and we'll give it a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this, and the solution is still hot. So right now itself, we'll go ahead and add our yogurt and turmeric, which we have gone ahead and weighed out here, so that it mixes well with the solution, and we'll give this a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this well so that all the yogurt, the turmeric, everything nicely gets mixed and blended in our solution. Okay, so now I'm going to wait for this to completely thicken. It's very hot right now, so we'll keep it to cool. And in the meanwhile, we can also go ahead and add our scrubbing agents. Here I have taken some jojoba beads. I have taken some yellow and red jojoba beads. This is very much optional. Even if you want to use it as a scrub, as it is, you can, because you will get that little scrubby feel with the turmeric pieces. And lactic acid, as I said, is a natural exfoliating agent. So you don't need to use any external exfoliating agents, but I'm adding it just so that it looks like a scrub. And we'll just mix it and we'll let it now to rest till this cools down and everything combines. Okay, so we've left this aside for a while, and you all can see how this is thickened now. And since it's cooled down completely, we'll go ahead and add our fragrance and our preservative to this, and we'll give it a mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed the fragrance and the preservative in this, and this is how our lovely scrub looks with all the exfoliating beads that we have gone ahead and added, and very, very soft on the skin as well. So this is suitable for all skin types. Even people with an oily skin can go ahead and use it without worrying that they will get more acne on the skin or it will clog their pores. So extremely safe to use. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, exciting ones, please do like, share and subscribe as well.